Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ashar and in this video we are going to unbox the all new ASUS ROG Phone 5. This beast has the all new Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, which is a octa-core processor. This beast comes with 6.78 inches of Full HD Plus display, which is Super Amoled, and its pixel size is 2448 by 1080p. As soon as we open the box, one small lid comes out first. This lid contains sticker, case, some user manual, and finally a cool looking SIM ejection pin. Then finally, here is the beast. This beast comes with 5G connectivity with dual SIM support. Let's keep this beast aside for a moment and let's take a look at the other remaining items of the box. Now, as usual, in the second lid we have a Type-C to Type-C cable and adapter. Now let's keep everything aside and focus on this beast. This beast comes with 6000 mAh of big battery and its weight is 242 grams. Now let's talk about the camera of this beast. This beast has triple rear camera, 64 megapixel main, 13 megapixel wide angle and 5 megapixel macro camera, and the front facing camera in this device is 24 megapixel. This beast comes with 144 Hz of refreshing rate display. As always, ROG has a new back cover which is unique and impressive. If you found this video a little interesting, just like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel for such unboxing and gaming related content. Thanks for watching.